gonna paint some shapes. This is star. Next is triangle. Next, last one is square. We're gonna need some paint brushes. We're gonna have some paints, some clear water. Next, we're gonna paint triangle shape. Take this brush. This is cool.
Okay, which color you are gonna choose?
I'm gonna choose.
Maybe choose red.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose this bright red color.
Okay.
First, we're gonna dip in the clear water. Dip in the paint. Careful in the borders.
Good. Wow. With one single stroke. Maybe you should try changing the paper. Yes, like that.
Dip some more color.
Yeah. Nice and slow. Good. Yeah, maybe take some more color.
Okay. Dip some more color in here.
Yeah. So look at the border on the top. You need to fill it. Yes. Yes.
In the bottom here.
Yeah. Yeah. Pick some color. Wow. Single stroke. Yeah. Pick some color. Pick some color.
Pick some more color.
Yeah.
And
Wow, I like your technique. Neat and steady.
thank you.
Yeah. Nice and steady. Don't go over the borders.
Okay.
Don't go over the borders. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right.
Left to right. Left to right.
Yeah. Gentle. Gentle. Wow. Wow. Look at the color change.
The water
Turn to red.
The water turned to the red color.
Yeah.
Triangle is done.
Wow, that looks so bright.
Thank you.
You colored it perfectly.
Do you like my triangle?
Of course, I do.
We will color square in the next video. Bye.